Good morning, afternoon, whatever it may be. We are back with another tutorial. Quick. I have my hair curled this time. It makes all the difference. When you have short hair, you already know. You have to style it. Yeah, we're just gonna do a quick little get ready with me. Trying to film more, so I'm not giving myself any room for excuses like there's no time. We're just gonna make it happen. So I don't have any makeup on yet. I did do some skin prep. I used Garnier, the blue one, micellar cleansing water, and then I did go ahead and moisturize with the Veda All Sensitive Moisturizer. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put my brows on, and I will be right back. That was weird. I'll be back. She's back. Brows are on, and here we go. Unfortunately, I'm breaking out right now. That's okay. We are all human. There is no judgment here. Yeah, I was trying a new cleanser. That just like, anyone else? That's sad. I tried a new cleanser and I'm pretty sure it broke me out, so that's pretty typical. I think I said it last time. I have dry, sensitive, acne-prone skin. What's up? I was on Accutane before. That's what really made my skin super sensitive. I'm going in with the Maybelline Dewy Smooth Shade 102. I really want to try the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. As I mentioned before, that is my favorite brand. So when I finish this one, I'm picking her up. So you can expect a tutorial and review on all that good stuff. So yeah, so I was trying a new cleanser from this brand we carry at my salon. It's called Euphora. And I just thought maybe I could get away with using the body wash. And I know, body wash, no, right? But everything from this line is made from certified organic aloe. So, and there's no water in it, like there's no bad ingredients. So a couple of my coworkers have been using it on their face. So I just wanted to try too. But I really don't know what I expected because my face and skin are difficult. I have been using it on my chest. I do struggle with like scarring and whiteheads on my chest. Unfortunately, that's life. If anyone else went on Accutane, it did nothing for me there. I don't know if anyone else can relate. But I do have to cleanse that area twice a day. And I am using the aloe. So before anyone is like, you don't shower enough, I wash it twice a day. Come on. So this was the Age Rewind Fair 110. And I'm gonna go in on top of that. I didn't list this one the last time. This is shade 5 Ivory in the Fit Me. My biggest issue with drugstores, I can never find anything light enough. I'm just gonna go in with my damp beauty blender. Blend it in. I'm in a good mood today. I didn't go to the gym, but I will be going tonight. No days off. But, you know, part of really, I feel like getting to know yourself and being in touch with your body, and I feel like, you know, my body this morning was like, no, I need sleep. So some days I grant it what it needs. So you should do that too. You know, always be conscious of what your body is saying. I do believe like migraines and sickness, and I'm not necessarily saying like you got cancer because you didn't, you know, that's not what I'm saying. But if anyone else is like conscious with their body and energies, you know what I'm talking about. This is still the Aveda Loose Setting Powder. Comes in one shade. You know, I just think you have to listen to your body. When you overwork yourself, which I used to do a lot, when you overstress yourself, you know, it translates through your body. That's how your body communicates with you, is migraines, you know, sickness, like stomach sickness, all that kind of stuff. We're just gonna go in with my Sultry. I don't know what happened. I swear I love it. Like I didn't do anything. I don't even know what kind of look I want to do. I almost want another palette, but I don't know which one, so we're just gonna stick with this. Taking Fresh on a flat brush and just setting my concealer. So yeah, so I slept, then my mans called me. We're still getting to know each other, but what's really cute is we were on the phone. I'm taking Birch in the crease, and he was at Starbucks, and we get the same drink. I know that seems small, but my drink is weird. Well, we pretty much get the same drink. I get 3 shots of espresso extra, he gets 1. But he does get it with almond milk like I do. So I just thought it was kind of cute. Just kind of cute. So I am going in almost like this cat eye shape. All about the cat eye. So to do that, I'm starting at the corner, kind of lifting it diagonally and then blending it in. Just to really give the shape. My sister said that she loves when I do her makeup because I give her eyes shape. Yay. I've probably done makeup on her like 20 million thousand times. A lot. Way before I was ever even doing makeup in salons as a makeup artist, which is what I am. Today was like a lazy curl day, because like I said, I'm going to the gym. You know, I'm kind of feeling this is where we're at so far. I kind of want to incorporate some silver. So I'm going to go ahead and take Cyborg, which is my favorite shade out of this whole palette, and I have to be conscious of how much I use because I already hit small pan. It makes me sad. It makes me so sad. And I'm just going to go all over the lid. But do you see what I mean? It is blinding. Like, it's just gorgeous. So I'm going all over the lid. Bringing it into, not the inner corner, but the inner corner of the lid. So you can kind of see, ooh, half moon shape. I do bring it all the way to the end because I'm going to darken that anyways. I really have to be light with this shade. Okay, I'm going to take this Sonia Kashuk brush. It's just a flat little, and I think I'm going to take this Dystopian dark brown and just kind of stamp, and I'm going to stamp it right on that outside right there. See if we can get close. I usually have some type of cat eye going, but not always, and if I don't, this is what I do. So when I'm stamping it, I do have it sort of raised on the outside. I'm gonna go in again. Really work it into the lash line. Boom. So I guess the right word would be at a diagonal. We're gonna blend that. Well, not blend that, but we're gonna blend these outer edges. See, it just kind of lifts the eye. I am growing my eyebrows out, so don't judge me. Okay, the key to that and like growing your hair out is patience. I'm gonna wipe my bake off, bring it down. You can even see like the yellow undertone, but I make it work. Because once I do my bronzer and everything, it'll be fine. I'm trying to be less wasteful. I just feel like before I was buying all this makeup, not using it up, and then buying more stuff, which I still buy makeup. You can never not buy makeup, but I'm more conscious. Like I'm not gonna have 3 full setting powders and then never finish them. So this is the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm taking Shadow Play and just bronzing the crapola out of my face. I have a round face, so it really doesn't like me because of how white I am. I do go ham with the bronze and the contour, and I feel like that's something I have to have every day because it's just, you know if you know. If you know, you know. Okay, I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Shade and Light brush and go in with the shade Subconscious. So I am gonna be doing a few videos, the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty recommendations. I'm gonna do that. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna have I'm just gonna have recommendations for the normal girl and also for the makeup artist. Because I'm eyeing things for that reason. You know, when you're building your kit or maintaining your kit, it's so expensive. So I usually try to look out for like sales, obviously. The makeup show that comes to Chicago, I love that because you can get things at a really good discount. And, you know, when you do makeup, you want to use these nice brands on people. They're just expensive. And you have to be prepared for whichever skin tone and texture and just all these things. Like for me, I feel like the things that I need are just never ending. Like I need options. I need to be prepared. Woo. Just dust it off. So yeah, we'll do that. And then a Sephora VIB recommendation. Well, VIB Rouge, that already started, so I probably should get that up fast. What am I gonna do? I was gonna do something. I don't remember. Lower lash line. Bringing Sultry back in the cut. Dropping brushes. I'm gonna take Birch. All right, underneath, and I am connecting it right at that corner. And just for fun, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of Dystopian right on the outer and kind of connect it. Trying so hard not to wing it out. I wing it out every day, but today I don't want to, so just kind of connecting them. Hi. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna go do my mascara and we'll be right back. Okay, she's back. This is where we are at. Let me just, she's cute. She's cute. Blend a little bit right here. So yeah, but back to the Starbucks story. The reason why it's so funny is because my drink is weird. Like I usually get, now he didn't do all of this, but still, I just thought, what are the odds that this dude is ordering the same drink that I get? So if you love Starbucks and you're looking for something new, I shall tell you. We're gonna wipe the bake off. I do a grande white chocolate mocha. Sometimes I get it iced or a frappuccino, you decide. With almond milk, no whip, 3 shots of espresso, and in a venti cup if I get a grande. Just so that there's room. That I do that when it's iced. That way there's room. And it's delicious. Don't at me. Just try it. Try it. We're gonna go in with the Exposed I'm just gonna do these two nude ones right here. I never know how to read this. I think it's Now or Never and Give It Away. Pretty sure. I just realized one of them is called Come Hither, which I actually love saying that in a sarcastic way. So that's funny. So I'm just applying these, kind of mixing them fast. I don't know why I needed sound effects for that. I like to hit my nose a little bit. We're gonna go in with my favorite highlight right now. Well, it's been that way for a few months. Natasha Denona. This is in the shade Light. Ooh, she dusty. Just gonna swirl it around with my Anastasia brush. Can we get a little respect? Come on. Really doesn't like me. It's not used to someone this fair. Get used to it. We exist. Hello. Hello. Gonna hit the nose. So yeah, those are the videos you can be expecting from me. I'm gonna keep doing tutorials, all that good stuff. I am gonna do a video, I think I said this, chapstick, comparing Euphoria with Aveda. I was using Aveda for like almost 3 years, so I'm very comfortable with the brand. I have been switching over to Euphoria, so I just think it would be nice to share the differences I've noticed, which products I would recommend if you're looking for a more natural hair care. This is the Dolce K lip liner. But does anyone else do that? Like when you first start dating someone, all the little cute things, you're like, oh my god! Oh my god, we both wear socks. It's meant to be. Pretty blended. I'm just gonna buff everything in together. Actually, I'm gonna do a little inner corner highlight. We're gonna wet the brush, even though this spray is not cooperating. Why? Has anyone seen that? It's like, I just sprayed all my brushes, but it's like dripping. Oh my gosh. Can you see? That's what I get for playing around, honestly. It's a sad day. I just clipped that with my nail. Now I don't. I'm sorry, I got interrupted by my timer. Hopefully inner corner. She's done. This is the look, guys. She's cute. She's neutral. She's natural. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos. Bye.